Hello everyone, welcome back to the video. So in this video I'll tell you how to put two pictures side by side on iPhone. Have you ever wondered how to combine photos on iPhone without a third party app? The easiest way to combine two pictures and create a side by side photo on your iPhone is by creating a shortcut in the Shortcuts app. Then you can just select the image you want to combine. So in this video I'll tell you how can you do this, but first subscribe to my channel for more upcoming videos and hit the like button. So let's start the video without wasting any time. So first make a shortcut for side by side photos on iPhone. While apps like Canva can put two photos side by side, using the Shortcuts app on your iPhone can do the job without requiring you to purchase a third party app. If you don't have the Apple Shortcuts app already installed on your iPhone, you can download for free from the App Store and then open the Shortcuts app. Open it. Tap the plus sign to create a shortcut at the top right corner of your screen. Next, tap the search bar at the bottom of the screen. Search for and tap select photos. If photos require Face ID, tap on unlock action. And then tap the blue arrow next to select photos. Then turn on select multiple toggle. Search again and select combine images. Tap on it. In the combined images section, make sure the mode field is set to horizontally. If not, tap on horizontally. Tap on the arrow next to horizontally to adjust how much space you want between the photos. If you don't want any spacing, you can skip this step. Then one last time, search for and tap on save to photo album. Next, tap the field at the top of the screen to rename your shortcut. And then tap done. And then tap on add to home screen to make the shortcut available as an icon on the home screen. You can customize the icon picture and then tap add. Your shortcut will then appear on your home screen. Now you are ready to combine pictures to show a before and after photo of yourself or even a side by side photo of a home renovation. Next I am going to tell you how to put two pictures side by side on iPhone. Now that you have set up a shortcut for combining photos, open the shortcut that you have created and add it to your home screen. Select the two photos you want to combine and then tap on add at the top. Next, open the Photos app. Your combined photo will appear as the most recent image in your photo library and you can tap on the combined photo to view it. Now you are ready to combine photos on your iPhone for memes, before and after shoots and photo collages. I hope you find this video helpful and also let us know in the comments below if you have any questions. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.